What's going on, guys? Back again with my O1 Insight. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take the rear wheel skirting off. For some reason, I couldn't find this anywhere before I bought the car, so I really wanted to know. It's actually quite simple. You're going to have two pins. You should have two pins here and here, and that's really the only thing keeping it in. You can see the panel itself. You've got a hole there and a hole there. Now you're supposed to have pins that look like this, but I guess those can be expensive, and it's really easy to just replace them with a bolt that fits through it and like a washer or a lock nut or something on the other side. Just fits through there, and then you can put the nut on the other side and tighten it up so it stays in. That's what this one has, because you know it's high mileage, it's beat up, it's not going to have all the original pieces. But anyway, on the other side you have clips that hold it into place, and that is just up and down. So if I'm to put this back on, we're going to put it on. There we go. We're going to put it on just like that, so it's slightly below, and all I'm going to do is push up. Pushing up pushes it into the clips, which is really hard to do with one hand, but then you go down and you put in the bolt or the pin on both sides, and it's the same thing when you take it off. You take those out and don't pull, just push down. It releases those little clips that you can see right up in here. See how that's a little clip that grabs on to these guys right here. It's really simple, and I wish someone would just post a quick video on this before I bought the car, but if you guys are having trouble, that's how you do it. Super simple. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram so you can get some behind the scenes stuff that hasn't happened yet and unreleased content that no one else has seen. And if you haven't already, watch that video. And if you watch that video, watch that video. And if you've watched both of those videos already, make sure you subscribe down here. Yeah, watch this stuff. It's awesome. And if you've watched that and subscribed,